In this tutorial I'm going to show you the different timesheet views available in Abtrac and how you can adjust those timesheet views to suit the way you prefer to enter your time. The quickest way to get to any timesheet within Abtrac is from your home screen on the dashboard. This timesheet selection here shows you the last 4 timesheets. If you click on any of those dates, it'll take you straight to that timesheet period. So we'll go to the 22nd of May here. So this view you can see here is called the Crosstab form view. The Crosstab relates to the grid down the bottom here. So you've got your days on the right hand side and your jobs will be a list down the left hand side. The form at the top is where you can enter all of the time. That then comes down here. If you want to edit any of the time within this Crosstab view, all you need to do is click on any of the cells there are available here. Or if you want to enter a new timesheet line for a job that doesn't already exist in this Crosstab view, all you need to do is select the job at the top, put in any details you want to, put in your start time or stop time if you want to, or you can use the units and hit save. So if you want to add more time for that job, as I was saying before, you need to do is click on any cell within that row. And again, you can just put the units, or you can go start time and stop time. And save. So to change the view, if this style of timesheet isn't really for you, click on the View button at the top here. You can choose a Crosstab grid, which is the same layout as what we have here, minus the form at the top, the linear form or the linear grid. Now since you've already seen the form, I'm going to take you straight to the linear grid screen. So the main difference is that you have your dates down the left hand side here, and you can see the comment along with your start and stop time in the grid itself. So to add a new record, click on the plus. You can select the date if you want to, or failing that, leave it blank, and it will default to today's date or the latest date available in that timesheet period. And we'll just pick anything here. Put in your start and stop time, and click save. If you want to change the layout of these grids, all you need to do is click and drag a column width to change it. If you want to change the order of the columns, you can click on the column, hold, and drag along, place it anywhere you want to. If you'd like to change the sorting, so say for example you want it to sort by job, all you need to do is click on the job label, and that'll change the sorting from date to job based. Now if you like this layout, all you need to do is click on apply, the grid layout, and it'll remember that for next time when you come in. Disbursements work in much the same way. You can either click the disbursement button here that takes you to the whole disbursement sheet, or if you want to assign a disbursement to a particular timesheet line, you can click on the disbursement button on that particular timesheet line and enter in your disbursement this way. And the last thing I'd like to show you is you can also use Abtrac while you're on the go. So you can use a mobile phone or use a tablet, and you can log into Abtrac. From the home screen on your mobile phone, you can either go to your latest timesheet or you can create a brand new timesheet. As we'll go to the latest timesheet, and here using the form view, you can input all of your entries the same as you would on your desktop system, albeit just on a more compact screen. If you have any questions after seeing this video, get in touch through www.abtrac.com or email us at support@abtrac.com.